The Word became flesh with the body prepared for the Word. The purpose of this flesh word body was always from before the foundation of the earth, that this flesh word body will be the perfect atonement sacrifice for the sin in the place of slain offerings, spice offerings, burnt offerings, and sin offerings. The atonement offering of Jesus' body forever did away with sacrifices and was approved by our Father in heaven to reconcile the worlds unto himself, both in the past, present, and future generations of this natural earthly realm. The manifest Word, Jesus Christ, revealed God as Father, and in the offering of himself reconciled us to God as Father. Jesus Christ, the Word made flesh, by his obedience became the facilitator, mainframe, hard drive of the heavenly data and introduced us to it. That's grace. That's love. That's godly. It stays our responsibility to check and balance the spoken word and manifest word with the written word.